Okay, I repeated the experiment of putting the seedlings directly in the foam discs. This one and that one were the survivors. I left them alone, and the others are new as of yesterday. They have survived for more than 24 hours. Put a very high water level. You can see one of the plants, actually I've dropped it down into the net pot. Here's another experiment. I'm using very small rock wool pads, and that's compared to these, which are, I think those are 2-inch. The others, I didn't see a size. So there we go. Hi friends, here is an update. Growing these seedlings in just a foam disc rather than rock wool. The roots are developing well. Here's that plant that fell down. It's alive even though it's completely underwater. This is a much older plant. I think it's 2 weeks older than these smaller seedlings. These seedlings were put in 1 week ago, and I believe they were 2 weeks from seed when they were transplanted.